Was she eventually look in that area?
7 years old, little buddy. Hey there. 7 years old. Oh yeah. It's a big boy. Come on. Wanna go see mommy? Come on. Come on.
I'm just gonna use the restroom for a second.
Bitch, you gave me a bruise.
I did not.
Now there's a tasteful way to save on wine. EmpireWine.com. Order online or visit our showroom in the Northway Mall.
It's the people who make Mohawk Honda different.
If you're not bringing your car to Mohawk Honda, you're paying more for the exact same thing.
Take those donuts too.
Whether it's our award-winning service department with the lowest labor rate in the Capital District, or our friendly, relaxed sales team, Mohawk Honda is here to give
ready,
you the very
Daddy?
best in value and customer
this?
service
Oh.
and unbeatable
Yeah, well, let's
every day.
shut this TV off. I hate TV. It's Lizzie's turn to have a little time. If I can find.
I don't know how to turn it off.
It says off. Not that.
Settle down.
It's the other one.
I will be right over there when you're ready for me.
Am I?
Now stop for 1 second. What?
I'm sitting on the chair. Come here, Blizzy.
Thank you.
Call him over to the chair.
Come here, but it's your birthday time.
Come here, go see happy birthday. Come over here. Come on, Lizzie. Oh, he's gonna be bold. Go see happy birthday. Ready?
Happy birthday to
Lizzie, happy birthday to
To
you.
Happy birthday to you.
Careful, get him under there.
Happy birthday, dear Blizzard. Happy birthday to you.
Watch his
Elmo,
face.
happy birthday.
Watch his face. He's burning his freaking nose. Jeez.
You just burned
You're
his
freaking nuts.
He's eating his cake, Daddy.
Yeah.
his whisker.
Now his
Just
whiskers are all
sizzled off.
gone.
No, they're not. Look at him eating them.
Yum yum.
He likes them, Daddy. Go
Happy
get his present.
birthday.
Go get his present, man. Why he's down there? You're gonna get your birthday. You want a
His whisker
present? Give me
burned
kisses.
off.
Give me kisses.
Does he have any whiskers left?
Yes, I didn't. They didn't even touch him.
Which one do I get first?
One, just one at a time. Doesn't matter.
Oh, present!
Happy birthday! He's gonna hide. One at a time.
Why don't we move the table?
We should because he hides. Tab, why don't you put your feet up on the couch?
Or are you trying to?
There. Get your present. Open up your present. I love watching you open up a present. I get your present, Blizzy. Oh, what you got?
Oh, yay!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, mister!
You're 7 years old. You're becoming an old man. You an old man. See how nice he opens them?
Yeah, he's a good doggy. What's that? What's it say?
Oh, he'll have it ripped up before the
It
end
says
of the
good
day.
dog? Good dog.
Look, we got these on him. It's better than nothing. He's the Hawaiian dog. Hi, Daddy. It's Blizzy's 7th birthday. He's the baby. Yes, he is.
Yes.
You're a good boy. Mommy loves you. You're so cute. I wish I had your
Video.
hand.
Get that.
Get that. You want another present?
Oh, your underwear is showing.
I don't care. Do you want another present, Bliss?
She's got pink underwear.
Don't
It's
you look
peach.
at you.
I got more presents.
Want another present?
presents.
What?
I got more presents.
Sit nice. Make him sit. Look at him.
No!
You can't. It's not.
No, he's not going under. Good boy. Get it, Bliss. Get it. He's good at it, isn't he?
Yeah, he's the best.
I
dog
like
on
this one.
record.
What do you think
Or
this one?
present on record.
I know it's Christmas stuff, but
Oh, good doggy.
he knows he can't tear it up. This is a cute one. Give me that.
Well, what? Where is it?
Look at Jen.
That is cute. Toss it up here.
Oh, jeez, scared me. He doesn't want me to play with it.
Toss it in the kitchen.
Give mommy.
Here, Dad, you want me to tape it?
He's all excited. Thank God there's only 3. I got him a big stocking.
I'll do it.
I mean, it was only $10. It's cheap. So I still got some for Christmas, and I'll probably give him a couple. But he destroys them. I mean, if he kept them, it would be nice.
Hi, Tab.
Dog toys, I
All
guess,
the,
you know?
he just like anything that's stuffed. He's got to.
Hi, Tab, baby.
He's a good boy. Tabby, you give him one. Say, make him sit.
Those
Sit.
balls.
Let's sit. No. My
Make
birthday,
him
I'm not sitting.
Sit.
Let's sit. Good boy.
There you
Oh.
go. Give me the Give me those dirty shoes. Look at him. Boy, you got that. Now, this is a good
Blizzard.
Liz, look at Jenny. You pretty boy. He loves
Oh,
the
yeah, that
he
one's a
loves the
goner.
squeaker.
That one's a goner by the end of the night.
Oh yeah. That's a gingerbread boy or a snowman, ain't it, Jen?
Doesn't look like a snowman to me.
Look, he's gonna pull the nose off. Look it. Be nice. Be nice. Bless you. Be nice.
And
Remember
this
that
is why
one day
I'll
Kev,
never
one,
bring my
one
cats
stuffed
here.
animal he kept for like a day and a half. I go, wow, maybe he's not gonna destroy this one. Oh, be nice. Don't eat it. Give me that. Oh, be nice to him. Be nice. He did. Look, he took the nose right off. Look
Hello,
at the-
Blizzard.
See, he took the nose off.
Uh-huh.
Kev, he took the nose right off of that one. Immediately. Look. Why did he do that? You don't like noses?
And he's still eating. I caught you.
Hi, my Jenny Benny.
And you're still smoking.
I know. Don't put me on the nerve.
I want a video camera.
Well, if Dad would just go make sure all the parts are to the other one,
You're beautiful.
be nice. But
You're beautiful.
Dad doesn't
How do I
know.
snap it as a picture? Can I do that?
I don't know. Ask Dad. Kev, can she? I'd like to get a picture of Blizz on his 7th birthday. Our camera's in the car.
Hey, Bubba's. Hi.
I think you can, Jen, now that you said that.
Hi, Tabby. It's so quiet.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Blizzard! Happy birthday!
Cam called Lizzie, too.
Who?
Lizzie.
Okay.
Our other pet.
Okay.